Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 21 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School and do want to shout out to students, staff, and to Garrett Hamilton for raising about $400, actually a little bit more than that, for our Washington, D.C. trip scholarship fund. So thank you, Garrett. As you can see, there's some pictures included from the mullet money, as we called it, in the Cougar Connection this afternoon. We do have several activities upcoming for this week. We do have an admin team meeting at 8 o'clock on Monday. Also, students and parents, if you are planning to attend the Washington, or the site-based council meeting rather, on Monday, that does meet the requirement for the public meeting that you have to attend for the Washington, D.C. trip. So that does begin at 4, and as long as the crowd is not too large, we will meet in the conference room. If it becomes a bigger crowd than what that room will hold, we'll move to the library. On Tuesday, we do have our Amazing Shake Round 4 lunch interview. The top 5 students will meet some community partners at Deshays, and they'll have one of their final rounds. There is a social studies screener for students in grade 7. We will have a faculty meeting until 4 o'clock on Wednesday. For now, there are no events planned on Thursday. Friday is Bring It Friday. It is also going to be a day when 8th graders are going to travel to FCHS to view their school. We do want to wish a happy birthday over the weekend to Kara Mitchell. And we do want to take a moment today to recognize our SMS Student Spotlight for this week, the academic team. Our academic team is a group of students that competed last week at the District Governor's Cup in Mason County, bringing home a lot of hardware and accolades for their hard work. The academic team is made up of students in grades 6 through 8 who practice and compete in the Limestone League from September through November. The group can reconvene their practices after the first of the year, and after doing so well at the district level, they will advance on to regional competition in February in Cynthiana. The team is coached by Heather Granis and Shayla Hessler. Overall, the team was recognized as the runner-ups of the Quick Recall Division. Individual scores are as follows. The written assessment in math, Maggie McGlone placed 4th. Science, Hunter Hand placed 2nd. Language Arts, Elena Hunt placed 5th. Arts and Humanities, there was a tie between Aubrey Jones and Blake Bradley in 5th place. And in the written composition, Maddie Singer placed 3rd. So we do want to shout out and congratulate these students. They've done a great job this year, and we're so proud of their many accomplishments. So way to bring it, SMS academic team. We do want to take a moment this afternoon and shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaderboard winners for last week. Congratulations on Monday to Caitlin Pallett, Tuesday Tinley Sheekley, Wednesday Adriana Gray, Thursday Lane Moran, Friday Summer Harmon. The student with the top score for the week was Tinley Sheekley, and the 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Allison McLean with 6th and Summer Harmon with 3. Our Alex leaderboard for this week, not a lot of movement, but as you can see, we do have several students who are meeting that 85% threshold, so we'll have several who hopefully are moving on to the next content this week. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.